I've heard so many people discussing over the years, this is the best way to grow your stream. All you got to do follow for follow. Oh, you have to do on share groups. There's so many theories out there and ideas different people want to present to you. I want to give you my 5 worst ways to grow your stream. Let's get into it. Number 1, networking. Now I know what you're saying. Whoa, wait a second. I like networking with other content creators and streamers. I'm not saying it hurts. It is a good thing to do to get to know other content creators. You can ask them questions and see how they do things. Let me explain.
No, there is too much. Let me sum up.
When you do this, when you go out of your way to hang out in other streams and other discords and groups and what have you, you make more friends than you make fans. And then you have to ask yourself, am I just trying to make friends? Am I wanting to build a community of just friends? Or do I want to make fans? Do I want to get fans who donate money and subscribe and come back consistently because they really want to see my content, not just because they feel like they're my friend and they need to be here? If you decide to do co-streams, those are not a bad idea, but there's a lot of problems with co-streaming. It's hard to find someone with the exact same goals as you have for your stream. You have problems like, are they a PG streamer? If I'm a PG streamer, I'm not gonna go into a streamer who yells and cusses a lot. If I play first-person shooters, I'm not gonna co-stream with someone who only plays single-player games. It doesn't work. Those communities don't mesh. If my community sees me co-streaming with someone who is cussing in the microphone and that's all that they hear in my stream, they're gonna get frustrated and vent to me and go, hey, I don't like that. It creates a problem for your community, dissonance in your community. Co-streams normally don't result in huge follower gains. You might get some people come and hang out, drop some likes, maybe some shares. You might gain a few followers, but it's not a good long-term goal for follower count increases. Number 2, consistency. People are gonna say, oh, if you're just consistent, the algorithm will love you. If you're consistent, the algorithm will push you more. If you stream the same nights, if you stream the same game at the same time, the same platform, the algorithm will push you. If you're consistently bad, it's not gonna help you. Because the algorithm, especially the Facebook one, that's what I'm talking about right here, if it sees that people are coming in, staying for 5 seconds and leaving, they're not gonna boost you. Even if you do the same game, same night, every night at the same time, they're not gonna boost you. If they see that you're not getting any likes or shares or anything, but you're consistent, they're not gonna boost you. They look at other metrics. Your consistency helps, but if you're consistently bad, it's not gonna help you at all. Number 3, stream sharing groups. I know what you're thinking here as well. If I push my stream out to as many people as possible, if I take a shotgun approach and spread my reach as far as possible, I get more viewers in return. Those random streaming groups that you join on Facebook, the Discord groups that you join, they don't help you as much as you think they're going to. Those people are there for the same reason you are. They want to boost their reach as well, so they're relying on you to do the same thing. It's a reciprocal thing in those groups. Even if that works for you and you gain a few viewers and you get a few shares and a few followers, it's not a long-term growth strategy. Because you're going to hit a certain point. Like I was in one time for Twitch. They brought in viewers to get you to your needed 3 average viewers for affiliate. And then they drop you off. They don't come back. They were there, they helped you, but now you're done and your viewer count's going to go back down. Number 4, ads. Ads are not bad, but I want to talk about them for a second. Most new streamers don't have the extra money to invest in a good ad campaign the way that they need to. They don't know how to execute it properly. They're complicated. Facebook ads in general are hard to target your audience. When you're first starting out, you don't know what your target audience is exactly. You might have an idea in your head, but once you start streaming and look at your metrics, you're gonna go, oh, that's not what I originally thought it was. It's not bad, but it's not what I thought it was. And so when you go in the beginning and you say, I'm gonna target my audience like this with this ad, you're trying to narrow it down because Facebook wants you to go this age group and this gender on this continent at this time with these interests. That's how accurate you have to be when you do targeting with your ads on Facebook. If you don't have that nailed down, you're shooting over in this direction, but your actual group that you should be targeting is over here, waiting for you to shoot an ad over there that you don't know you need. So you're wasting your time and money. It's not a good growth strategy. Number 5, inflating your presence on one platform, thinking that you can drag those viewers over to another platform. Let me elaborate. It's not a bad idea to try and grow your presence across multiple platforms like Instagram or Twitter or TikTok or what have you, YouTube, but it's nearly impossible to pull those viewers, those followers, those people from that platform where you're growing on to your streaming platform, Twitch or Facebook. For instance, on Instagram, people think that, oh, I've posted a few memes or funny pictures and people like those and I have 1,000 followers on Instagram. Let me just pull 1,000 followers straight to Twitch or straight to Facebook. They will be 1,000 followers in my stream, 1,000 viewers in every stream. That's not gonna happen. And I'll tell you why. On Instagram, people don't go to see live streams. They go to see funny content, food pictures, travel pictures, memes. They don't have time. They may be at work just scrolling through. They don't have time to drop into a live stream where you're playing a video game and listen and interact. It just is not going to work for them. So while it's good to have an Instagram and post occasionally, that's not going to draw viewers to your main streaming platform. Same idea for TikTok. TikTok is good if you have clips and you have some viral content, funny content that you want to share. That's a great idea. But you cannot rely on those viewers to come over to your live streams. YouTube is great for long form and short form content. It is a great algorithm for growing. You can either live stream there, create tutorial videos, or just do reels and shorts there. But again, if you grow your audience there with say your reels take off on YouTube and you get 1,000 subscribers, you're not going to be able to pull those 1,000 subscribers from YouTube to Facebook or Twitch consistently. Even if you said, you know what, I have 1,000 subscribers on YouTube, I should live stream on YouTube. You are not going to consistently get all of those subscribers in each live stream. It's not going to happen. Again, their time may not work out with when your time to stream is. Those are my 5 worst ways to grow your stream. If you have any comments, ideas, let me know below. If you have done these things successfully, please let me know how you did it, how you're the exception to the rule. I would love to hear it. Drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and let me know if you have any other questions for streaming, if there's any other videos you would like to see me do content on. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next one.